Abaquba lumkhankaso bathi injongo yokuthi abesilisa balimunge ukuthi iyakhula imkhuhlane yokuhlaselwa imvukuzane yebele kwabesilisa. Bathi balethemba ukuthi ngokugqoka labo qwa abesilisa bazosukuma babuzwe ubuhlungu bokusebenzela impilakahle yabo ukuze ke bahlolwe ngodokotela baphume kulokhu buhlungu njalo basinde ekufeni bebulawa imvukuzane le ebele.
Ngibona ukudikeka ukuthi abo baba baye esibhedlela bazosheka i-prostate health yabo ne breast health yabo because i-breast and i-prostate health inali link. So it's important for Abu Baba to go and test early so that ba vikegele.
Ubaba mbekane prostate cancer angafuni treatment ngalesikhathi kumele ukuthi aye for treatment it was already too late. Umaluma wamthatha wamisa esibhedlela for treatment but it was already too late. Ubaba he didn't want the whole process yokuya operation, the whole process yokuya for what do you call it, for chemotherapy. So I think beseke asnikelele nje. So mina I would like to advise other men ukuthi baye for testing at least every 2 years ukuthi they can do it for imndeni yabo, they can do it for abantwana babo because cancer it's so aggressive ikuthathela abantu la ubathandayo.
I think for amadoda it's a question yokuthi we must go and see a doctor when you're not feeling well because asikhulumi asithanda ukukhuluma ngento ze ukugula and so on and so forth. So I just feel ukuthi as amadoda we just need to be honest with ourselves and see any doctor and test because you don't lose anything if you go out and test for breast cancer, for prostate cancer. Okusalayo, it's your life. So you have only one life. Use it.
Noma kuyisifo esijwayele ukuhlasela bomama kodwa umdlavuza webele namadoda bayaba nawo. So kubalekile ukuthi indoda inakekele ibheke ukuthi akukhona ushintsho emabeleni wakhe. And then mebona ukuthi khona into engamphethe kahle or kunoshintsho then kwamele ayemtholampilo seduze naye ayocela usizo.
Ucwaningo lukhombisa ukuthi banengi abesilisa asebele mvukuzane yamabele. Laba abenza lumkhankaso bathi balethemba lokuthi abesilisa bonke bazowuzwa lumlayezo ukuthi sukumani niyehlolwa ngodokotela. Mina Studio 7 eJohannesburg le South Africa nginguTshuso.